For iCLASS SE and multi-class SE readers, it may be necessary to upgrade the reader to enable Bluetooth features for mobile access and reader manager apps, or to enable the secure OSDP reader controller interface. The BT Smart Module enables both BLE and OSDP communications and is available for the following reader styles. For readers purchased as mobile ready, this module will already be present on the back of the reader. Remove the security screw from the bottom of the reader, then pull the reader bottom outwards. Lift up on the reader, then pull the reader away from the mounting plate. Locate the module port near the centre of the reader, which may be covered by a piece of black tape. Peel the tape away and discard. If you have a terminal strip reader, you will need to remove the connectors to expose the port and install the module. The BT Smart Module has a plug-in port connector and 4 corner support clips that will snap in place with the corresponding mounting holes on the back of the reader. Align the module port connector and corner support clips appropriately with the locations on the reader and simply snap in place, pressing firmly. Reconnect any terminal strips or wiring connections. If you did not power the reader down in the module installation process, you will need to power cycle the reader for the module to be recognised. Remount the reader by hooking the top of the reader onto the backplate, sliding it downward, closing the bottom of the reader, then reinstalling the security screw.